1.375 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6. To find out the multiplication table of 2 easily, just add 2 with the previous step. Look at here, 0 plus 2, 2. Again 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. This process will continue, right? So 2 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as our current dividend 1 is less than divisor 2. So 0 times 2, 0 times 2, 0. Subtract 1. Now bring down the next digit. Before this digit there is a decimal. Decimal always come to quotient directly. 2 goes into 13 how many times? 7 times 14, which is getter. So 6 times. 6 times 2, 12. Subtract 1. Bring down the next digit. 2 goes into 17 how many times? 9 times 18, which is getter. So 8 times. 8 times 2, 16. Subtract 1. Bring down this 5. 2 goes into 15 how many times? 8 times 16, which is getter. So 7 times. 7 times 2, 14. Subtract 1. You can add, since this is a decimal number, you can add any number of zeros here. So bring down the next 0. 2 goes into 10, 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2, 10. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 0.6875. This is the quotient.